Hey there, Google Sheets enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and practical tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to delete empty columns in Google Sheets 2025. If you've ever dealt with a messy spreadsheet full of blank columns, this tip will save you tons of time and frustration. By the end of this video, you'll be able to clean up your sheets like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, why bother deleting empty columns? Well, they can make your data harder to read, slow down your sheet's performance, and even cause errors in formulas. So, let's get started. Open up your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one, just create a new blank sheet for practice. Step 1. Identify the empty columns. Scroll through your sheet or use the column headers to spot them. For example, if columns C through F are blank, that's your target. To select them, click and drag across the letter headers at the top. You can also hold down the Control key, or Command on Mac, to select multiple non-consecutive columns. Once selected, right-click on one of the highlighted column headers. From the drop-down menu, choose Delete Columns. It's that straightforward. If you prefer using the menu bar, go to Edit, and then select Delete from the options. Poof! Those empty columns are gone. But wait, there's a pro tip. Before deleting, double-check for any hidden data or formulas in those columns. Sometimes, cells might look empty but aren't. You can use the Find and Replace feature by pressing Ctrl+H to search for blank cells and confirm. Another handy trick is to use filters. Go to Data in the menu, select Create a Filter, and then sort your data to easily spot and remove empties. This method is great for larger sheets. Alright, we've covered the basics and some extras. Now your Google Sheets will be cleaner and more efficient. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.